Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Cal Kestis from Jedi Survivor. Firstly, I took the legs from Kanan Jarrus, I took the belt from Pelimoto, the torso came from an ACU guard, I added the arms from Mace Windu, I added the bag from Finn, the head of choice comes from Gar Saxon, and everything else comes from Obi-Wan Kenobi. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I'm relatively happy with today's custom. I think there are a few things that could be improved, such as the face, but I think I've done an alright job. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe as it will help out the channel a lot and you'll be alerted when the next tutorial releases.